So I want to talk a bit more about TVs and stuff now. So just for my personal interest. So
Yep.
what's the sort of the system you reckon, like, do you recommend to people like certain packages or for the home theater setups, or do they ask you, or they have something that they've already bought and you have to install it, or what normally happens there?
Yeah, look, most of the time customers have made their decision. So you'll generally go into a customer's house, they've already purchased a product, or they've rang you and they've said, we've purchased, XYZ products, we need installed. Occasionally we'll get a customer go, if they do have an issue with a TV or need to upgrade a TV, they'll ask a recommendation. You can give customers advice. At the end of the day, they're going to be guided by their budget, by things obviously that they read on the internet. There's so much information out there that, the TV guy isn't necessarily always going to give them, the answer that they want to hear. But most of the time we do find that, customers have already made their decision. It's when you sort of start getting, I guess, back into the cameras and the alarms where people don't really know what they want.
Mm. Obviously, you've got a good website as well. They can go and look, and there's various products on your website you have, isn't there?
Yeah, absolutely. There's obviously both on the antenna side and on the security side. The websites are really, really extensively detailed. The guys keep, again, going back to the franchisors, they keep on top of that. They make sure that all our pricing structures that are on there are on top of things, that all the new products that, services products we offer are updated on there. So they do an amazing job of being on top of that. And I think if we sort of flow back into what you were talking about before, into buying into a franchise system, and if I was doing something like that on my own, I'd have to sit on top of my website and I'd have to keep updating, where that's something that these guys take care of, and you don't even think twice about it.
Yeah, I think you can make, like, that's what I think of. People just think marketing's easy. We see it all the time. Just do a few letterbox drops and away you go in your business, which is not the case. You have to do, obviously, this website, there's content updates, there's all this sort of stuff, there's social media, things like that. And whereas you guys are then allowed to go and just concentrate on doing the best job you can for a customer. You don't have to worry about all the back end stuff.
Oh, absolutely. And that's the thing. The most difficult thing I've got in terms of my business, obviously, I don't have an issue with working. I work hard, but, coming home and doing a little bit of book work and quotes and things like that is probably the most difficult part of running my business at the end of the day. And if you sort of put that in perspective, it's not that hard either. So, the guys take care of like you said, the guys take care of the marketing, the websites, obviously what we're doing now in terms of getting a brand awareness out there and being synonymous with that brand. It's all taken care of on the back end that you kind of, I guess, sometimes take for granted.